In a dark period of Egypt's history, the Hyksos ruled the north of the country, occupying the capital Avaris and imposing their power by force. Egypt was divided, and its people lived in humiliation. But from the south in Thebes, the spark of resistance was ignited. A young prince named Ahmose grew up in a royal house. His father, Sekenenre, had started the resistance against the Hyksos, but was killed in battle. His brother Ahmose continued the fight, but also died before completing the mission. Then, Ahmose took on the responsibility. Still a young man, Mose began organizing the army, learning military tactics, and surrounding himself with the best warriors. He improved the use of war chariots, the Hyksos' strongest weapon, and prepared a powerful military campaign to restore Egypt's dignity. He led his army north, engaging in fierce battles across the delta. He laid siege to the Hyksos capital, Avaris, modern-day Tel el-Daba, for several years until it finally fell. Not satisfied, he pursued the Hyksos into Palestine, ensuring they would never return. Thus, Ahmose became the first king to completely liberate Egypt from foreign rule. After expelling the invaders, he began rebuilding the country, restoring temples, reorganizing administration, and bringing back peace and stability. His reign marked the beginning of Egypt's New Kingdom era. Ahmose was a just ruler, beloved by his people and feared by his enemies. He encouraged agriculture and trade, and honored his soldiers and supporters. He built temples to commemorate his victories, including one at Karnak that tells his story. He ruled for nearly 25 years, and his legacy endured long after his death. He was buried in a royal tomb and remembered throughout history as a hero and liberator. His name means the child of the moon, but to Egyptians, he was the son of freedom. The story of Ahmose is not just a military victory. It is a national, epic, a turning point that restored Egypt's power and began a golden age of strength and expansion that lasted for centuries. For this, he is considered one of the greatest kings in Egypt's long and glorious history.